Okay, so in the last class, we discussed about solving differential equation, isn't it? We discussed about solving differential equation. Okay, in solving differential equation, we learned linear form, isn't it? Hmm? Linear form, solving differential equation using linear form. So what is the general form? What is the general form we have learned? What is the general form we have learned? What is the general form of a linear differential equation? Can you give the general form? Aishwarya, what is the general form? dy by dx
plus py is
is equal to q, where p and q are functions in x. Isn't it? This is functions of x. Okay, so in that case, we will be finding the integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? E raised to integral of p dx. Integrating factor is given by e raised to integral of p dx. And the solution is given by, and the solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. This is the format we have learned, isn't it? This is the format we have learned for the solution. Okay. So now today we are going to learn one more format, that is, write the heading, variable separable. The second method we are going to learn is variable separable method. Solving differential equations. The second method we are going to learn is solving differential equation. The second method we are going to learn is variable separable method. Variable separable. What is the meaning of variable separable? Can you tell me what is the meaning of variable separable? Yes, what is the meaning of variable separable? What is the meaning variable separable? Means we are going to
separate
the
variables.
variables. We are going to separate the variables and we are going to find the solution. We are going to separate the variables. We are going to solve it. Okay, so write the question. Write the question. Solve dy by dx is equal to x plus 2. Dy by dx is equal to x plus 2. How to solve this? Okay, so in variable separable, what we will do? We separate y terms with dy and x terms with dx. Okay, so in variable separable, this okay, in variable separable, what we'll do? We separate the variables. With dy, we take all the y terms. With dx, we take all the x terms. We collect the terms like this. With dy, we take all the y terms, and with x, dx, we will collect all the x terms. Then we will integrate. So look at this question. Here the question is solve dy by dx is equal to x plus 2. So here what we are going to do, we are going to separate the variables. So by dx, I'm going to take to other side. So we can write the same equation as dy by dx is equal to x plus 2 into dx. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Is it okay, Aparna? What we did here, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
What I'm doing here, we are taking dx terms, x dx with x terms and dy with y terms. No y term is here. So we are getting dy is equal to x plus 2 into dx. Next step, you integrate. Next step, we are going to integrating on both sides. We are going to integrate on both sides. So integral of dy is equal to integral of x plus 2 into dx. Integral of dy is equal to integral of x plus 2 into dx. So what is integral of dy? Integral of dy is
1.
y. What is integral of dx? X plus c, isn't it? Integration and
X.
differentiation will get cancelled. So integral of dx is x. So what will be integral of dy? Is y. Is it okay, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Is equal to. Now, what is integral of x? Integral of x is integral of x is x square by 2 plus 2 into, what is integral of 2? If you want, we can write this, well, split this. Integral of x dx plus 2 integral of 2 into dx. You can separate it. So integral of x dx is x square by 2 plus 2 into, what is integral of 2 dx? Karthik. What is integral of 2 dx?
2
2 x. Integral of dx is x plus c. Okay, after integration, we'll be adding the constant of integration. We add the constant of integration. Is the method clear, children? What is the method here? Variable separable. We separate the variables. Okay, I'll explain it again. Listen, children. dy by dx is x plus 2. Okay, here what we are going to do? We group the terms. With dx, we collect all the terms in x. With dy, we will collect all the terms with y. Here, no y term, so we are getting only dy. dy is equal to x plus 2 into dx. Next step, you integrate on both the sides. We are integrating on both the sides. So integral of dy is equal to integral of x plus 2 into dx, which is equal to integral of dx plus integral of 2 into dx. Okay, so that is y is equal to, what is integral of x? X square by 2 plus, what is integral of 2 dx? It will become 2x plus c. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Anila Mohanan, is it okay? Shall we move on to the next question?
Yes.
Okay, write the next one. Next one. Solve x plus 1 into dy is equal to y plus 1 into dx. X plus 1 into dy is equal to 1 plus 1 into dx. How will you do this? What is the method we learned? With x dx, we will bring all the x terms together. With dy, we bring all the y terms together. So tell me, children. Here, how will you do this? Can you give the next step, Karthik?
x plus 1 by dx is equal to y plus 1 by dy.
X plus in dx and dy should be in the numerator. Okay, derivatives term should be in the numerator. So can you give the, okay, what you're giving is correct. But here we want only dx,
by
dy.
X plus 1.
So this into, if you take it to other side, we'll get dx by x plus 1. Okay, equal to?
dy by y plus 1.
Is it okay, Annette? Is it clear, Annette? Is it okay? So now we have grouped the terms. With dy, we have collected y terms. With dx, we are taking x terms. Next step, you integrate on both sides. Now we are going to integrate on both sides. So integrating on both the sides. Integrating both sides. Dy by y plus 1 is equal to integral of dx by x plus 1. So now tell me the answer. What is the integral of dy by y plus 1? What is the integral of dy by y plus 1? What is the integral of dx by x?
Log of x plus
Log x, isn't it? Whenever the derivative of denominator is in the numerator, we write log of the denominator. Derivative of denominator is in the numerator means we write it as log of the denominator. Now look at here, what is the derivative of y plus 1? Derivative of y is you will get 1 into dy, isn't it? What is derivative of y plus 1? Derivative of y is dy plus 1. If we differentiate, it is 0. Look at the next term. What is the derivative? What is the derivative of x plus 1? You differentiate x, we will get 1 into dx, isn't it? So derivative is in the numerator. So it will be the answer here. Anila, Mohanan, can you try? Can you give the answer? Dy by y plus 1. Yes. Yes, Anila, can you try? Yes. Annette, try to give the answer, Annette. Annette? What is the integral of dy by y plus 1? Okay, Aishwarya, give the answer.
log of y plus 1 is equal
Log of
to
y plus 1
is
equal
equal to
to
log of x plus 1.
log of x plus 1 plus some constant c is equal to plus some constant c. If we want, children, what we can do, this one we can simplify it further. We can take like this, log of y plus 1 minus log of x plus 1 equal to c is equal to c. Now what is log a minus log b? What is log a minus log b?
A by b.
Log a by b. So log of y plus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to c. Log of y plus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to c. Now, in order to remove log, what we can do, we can take e, base e on both the sides. So e raised to log of y plus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to e raised to c. We can take base as e on both the sides. Now e and log, we know they are reciprocals of each other. So these two will get cancelled. So we'll get y plus 1 by x plus 1 is e raised to constant is another constant. We can name it as c. E raised to c is a constant. We can name it as another constant. That one we can name it as c. Okay. So next step, you can cross multiply x plus 1. So y plus 1 is equal to k into x plus 1. Y is equal to k into x plus 1 minus 1 is the required solution. Is the required solution. The required solution. Is it okay? Is it okay, children? Listen, children, I'll repeat it again. Okay. So what is given? The problem is solve x plus 1 into dy is equal to y plus 1 into dx. We are using variable separable method. So in variable separable method, what we do? We separate the variables. With the dx, we collect all the x terms, and with dy, we will be collecting all the y terms. So dy by y plus 1 is dx by x plus 1. After separating the variables, we integrate on both the sides. We are integrating on both the sides. So integral of dy by y plus 1 is equal to integral of dx by x plus 1. What is integral of dy by y plus 1? Log of y plus 1 is equal to log of x plus 1 plus c. Now bring all the log terms to one side. Log a minus log b is equal to log a minus log b is log a by b. So we are writing this as log y plus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to c. Next step, we are taking exponential to the base as e on both the sides. So e raised to log of y plus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to e raised to c. E raised to c means it's another constant. So that constant, we can replace it with another constant k for our convenience. We can write e raised to k as c, some constant. The next step, this x plus 1, you cross multiply. K into x plus 1. Plus 1, if you take to other side, it will become minus 1. So we are getting the solution as y is equal to k into x plus 1 minus 1. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? This method, is it okay? So what is the name of the method today? What you have learned? What is the method? Method is? Yes?
Variable separable.
Variable separable. This is one of the method used for finding the solutions of the differential equations. Okay. So in the next class, we'll be learning more about this. Okay. Okay, children. Okay, with this I end this today's session. Thank you.